So we're going to replace those OEM turf tires with this FunF grippy tires. I have something very similar on the Craftsman up there, which has worked really well. So we're going to go with these. So again, like I said in the video before, this 22 is the height of the tire. These are all inflated, sort of what they should be. 10 inches is going to be the width, and 12 is going to be your wheel size. The one most important thing is the 12, because it has to fit on the 12-inch wheel. But these other heights, so the 22, the original OEM tires are 23 inches, so they're slightly bigger, which isn't really a big deal. And they're slightly wider. They're 10.5 inches wide instead of 10, which could be more of a deal if I can't get it on the rim. We'll see. Alright, let's see if we can get these on. Usual disclaimer, never done this before. I did it with inner tube, but not tubeless. Don't really know what I'm doing, but if I can do it, I guess you can too. Alright, to assist in this, I've got a couple of tire irons. I used to have 3. I don't know where the third one is. These are great. You should definitely get them. They're like 20 bucks on Amazon. I've got some other tools which probably are inappropriate. I might use them, I might not. I'm going to start by using a little soapy water around the tire edge and the rim to see if I can help ease this thing on. So, well, here we go. Alright, there's half of it. Okay. All right. Now the question, will it seat? I have no idea. I have some ideas if this doesn't work, but let's give it a try. Looks like it's going to. Don't blow up on me. I'm out of power. I got to turn my compressor on. I'm just going to talk over my compressor for a minute. You can see that it hasn't seated. I don't think I have any worry about it blowing up at this point because I just tested the pressure and there's only 9 pounds in there, so we're good. Let's keep going. Come on, top. There you go. Oof. God, that was scary. Scared the dog. All right, let's see where we're at. Yeah, that's only 20. And that, oop, we're not, this side isn't done yet. So let's keep going. Hey! Alright, not that it's a race, but isn't everything a race? I'm not going to try to kill myself, but let's just keep time. This hard to get on. I wanted to show you what I did just to make it easier. I pushed down on the tire on the back side where it already sort of, because it was up at the top rim, and that's a little bit bigger diameter up there. So what that does is allow a little bit more slack on this side. As you see, I bent the rim a bit here with the tire iron. I don't think it'll matter. Let's finish it off. There we go. Alright, what I'm going to try now is to put a ratchet strap around the middle, sort of cinch it down and see if that can force those edges out just a bit so that they'll just seat slightly until the pressure builds. Alright, let's see what that does, if anything. I'm going to loosen this strap. So I think it's working. If I can loosen the strap. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I think we got air in there. Let's see if we get these beads seated. Not quite there yet. Come on, pop. Ah! This one's still not done. Alright, I let most of the air out, and let's just put a little soapy water into the spot that we need to pop. Let's give it another try. Come on. Ah! There we go. God. Potential energy. Oh, alright. There, we did it. Yeah, I'm glad I had problems, because you may run into problems if you've never done it before. The ratchet strap thing seemed to work. A little soapy water, that was helpful. Repositioning the tire on the rim when you have a hard time getting it on. I don't know, I think there's some helpful things to take from this video. I hope you will undertake this for yourself. It's definitely a job you can do. And you should. These tires fit in here really perfectly. Make it look much more purposeful. See how it works. We'll call that a success. I never would have gotten up that hill with those old tires, so it just gives a little bit extra confidence, which is great.